Now for question tag rule number 6, the adverb only takes both positive and negative tag. Positive tagum varum, negative tagum varum. One positive, so past tense, so did. Then India means you are taking plural. So did இங்கே they. பாசிட்டிவும் எடுக்கலாம், நெகட்டிவும் எடுக்கலாம். ஸோ did it they, also did they. Only Leela finished the homework in the class. So finished, past tense. Past tense means you are taking did. Leela na she அப்படின்னு சொல்லி எழுதலாம். So did she, didn't she. So didn't she, also did she. So only அப்படிங்கிறப்போ you are taking both positive and negative tags. So didn't they, did they, didn't she, did she. இந்த நவுன் வந்து கரெக்டாக நீ பார்த்துக்கணும். லீலாங்கிறப்போ